I just got off the phone with Lowe's, so this is my update. I wasn't going to show this full video clip that I put together for Lowe's for our complaint. They just don't seem to care, so I do not recommend Lowe's as far as installation. We shopped with them for years, buying refrigerators, stoves, you name it, everything between Lowe's and Home Depot, but mainly Lowe's. No longer will we shop with Lowe's. So the video will show you what happened. They're trying to say that I should have called them back to help repair the gutters or fix the gutters in the door and everything else. We didn't want to go another week, and we definitely did not want these roofers to come back. Of course, they try to cover themselves saying, oh, we would have sent somebody else out or whatever, and I just didn't want to deal with anybody else, especially for another week. So we had to spend the whole Thanksgiving weekend cleaning up gutters, straightening them out. They were bent. There were newer gutters that we had put up. They're not cheap, as you know. So, you know what they wanted to give us? A $100 gift card towards Lowe's. I'm like, are you kidding me? They wouldn't give any discount or anything for all the work that we put in cleaning up and the danger and the distress and everything we went through. So I'm just putting this video up to let you folks know what happened in detail. If you have any questions, comment below. Just because they're a big company doesn't mean they're going to do a good job. Very disappointed. Here's the video.
Let's just say I'm not very happy with Lowe's. I would think they would have a better partnership with somebody more professional. Most of my gutters aren't attached to the roof. The screws are either sticking out or just not there. A bunch of nails and pieces of shingle, staples, pieces of metal, all kinds of stuff in the gutter they didn't clean out, stuff on the ground still. The thing that really gets me is the fact that they didn't attach the gutters back to the roof. That is just not right. I don't know, there's some iffy spots around here that I'm not real happy with.
It's Monday and the roofers only have the shingles done that you see. That front that was done Saturday was taken off and put back on, so I think the inspector made them take it off. I thought it looked a little strange, like not good. So I hate complaining, but they told me to be done like a week ago. Well, they got this front part mostly done. I hope the inspector thinks it's okay, because Rick said that this side was done yesterday and the inspector made them rip it off because it wasn't right. I'm glad I didn't walk the dogs because they're leaving nails. I found other nails in my driveway. If I ran this over with our car, that would have not been good. So they said they were meticulous. The owner of the company said they're meticulous, and I do not agree. Like I said, I don't like to complain, but you can't be leaving things all over. You know, this doesn't bother me as long as they clean it up when they leave at the end of the job, but you can't leave nails. You can't have nails on the ground. We've got dogs. Not only that, but they were playing the radio really loud, and we have elderly neighbors, and I don't think that's a good idea or very professional to be blaring the radio. I think you should be considerate of the neighborhood when doing a job. And I'm finding now, oh my gosh, sharp metal. Are you kidding me? I've got dogs that walk around. They'll walk around, and this is sharp like blades. This would cut their feet up, and it's rusty. I don't know what they are. I think I'll save them to show the owner. I'm gonna go around the house and just double check everything because I can't bring my dogs out here and walk in the grass with this like this. Cigarette butts. Garbage everywhere. But the metal shards and nails on the ground, no and no. More metal, rusty metal. I'm glad I don't have little kids walking barefooted through the grass. I'm gonna check a little more carefully, make sure I don't miss anything as far as metal goes, because it's not good. There's more. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is just upsetting me more by the minute. I don't even know what these are. And my neighbor has dogs that come over sometimes. That would not be good. I did not realize some of these green things have nails in them too. And I got tons of these green things in the grass. Most of them, I think, don't have nails. But now I see that some do. More nails. I pray to God nobody walks in my grass barefooted. And you see all the green? I'm gonna have to go through each one and make sure there's not nails in them. They're like everywhere. And like I said, I didn't mind until I saw the nails in some of them. Like this one. And my dogs come out in the front yard too. Oops, I just dropped that one. My hands are getting full. Alright, you get the idea. Lots more than what I'm showing you. What do you think? Is this okay? I don't think so. Yeah, that's just one little handful. There's a bunch more.
So the roofers are gone, and I just got home, and as you can see, my water is running. They left it at about 11 this afternoon. It's 3:30 now. So my water's been running for that amount of time. Not too happy about that. Walking around just to see how well they cleaned up. Doesn't look too bad. Paper. These little green things. More. Some of those. Those. There. Another one of those with some staples in it. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Two. Another one of those. Two more of those. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one of these. Here's a nail. No screw in the gutter. There. Screw loose there. Crap in the gutter. Staples, nails. Bunch of nails in the gutter and a staple. Bunch more nails. There's a bunch more down there.
And it looks like they smashed our door a little bit here. Work will have to fix that as well.
As you can see, there's more stuff in the gutters, granules and nails. Nail, 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 staple, cigarette, metal, staple, piece of metal. This gutter's not even attached. You can see the screw's not in. There's no screw in this one. Let me see if I can see this one. There's a staple right there. More staples. I want to know how this happens. There's a nail sticking through my soffit. As you can see, here's the gutter, and then the roof is above it. And this is sticking out of my soffit underneath it. Unbelievable. How does that happen? More nails in the corner, you can see. There's a bunch of stuff there. Another missing screw in the gutter, as you can see, not attached. More nails in this gutter. Staples. From that gutter attachment, this one, there's no screw holding it on. That one has one. From this point all the way to the end of the gutter, they're not attached. That's about 25 feet of gutter. Staple, metal, as you can see, the screw sticking out, but it's not attached. Nothing's attached. This one doesn't even have a screw in it. Screw sticking out, screw sticking out, screw sticking out. All the way. If this was the rainy season and it would rain hard like it usually does, this gutter would probably fall off. But that's totally unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. Can't believe they would do that. Again, unattached, all the way around the corner. Unattached, staples, nails. As you can see, the first three on this side are unattached. The bolts sticking out. Hooked up under the drip edge, so that's gonna not be easy to get out. I can't get it out. Sticking out, not screwed in, just sitting here. Nail. Side's not too bad, is actually being fairly clean. I see some pieces of roof on the roof. Little pieces of cut off just laying up there. As you can see, my gutter's not straight at all. Right there, there's a big, I don't know what that is. Even the drip edge is sticking up. Right here, for some reason, there's a hump in the drip edge, and I can see it, the distance between there and there. Piece of junk, some staples. Not sure what that is. I don't know why they would use tar. It's oozing out under and going into the gutter.